5116 water coconut. That's the entrance to the community right here on the right. We have a screen door, which Jenny really likes for the tenants. Definitely need to address the weeds, but it's a minor thing. We already have desert landscaping in place, which is fantastic. And also either replace that or at least get that right side up. Tile at the entry. The carpet and the wall color, the wall condition are all good. 1, 2, 3. Probably replace these verticals with some 2.5-inch velvet blinds. This house is incredibly spacious. It's a 4-car garage, tandem, and there's just so much space. Okay, 4, 5, 6 windows downstairs that need new blinds. We have a security door on the back. These are very low walls. This is an access road behind us. Definitely need a larger fridge in here. This can be a really beautiful island once it's changed over to granite. These are a little dilapidated. I think that this might need to be junked. Paint and carpet are still looking great. Older fan. Older toilet. Doesn't need a window treatment there. We'll need Jenny's call on whether these blinds are in good enough condition to keep. Carpet looks great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, yeah, well, like I said, we'll need Jenny's call. I'm gonna go ahead and count them anyway. I don't see them being warped. The valance is here. We have 2 valances missing there. They may be completely gone. They may never have been here. They may be in a closet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Laundry upstairs. Nice for a big house like this. Probably a lot of laundry. I've seen a few screws on some of the cabinets. Yeah, it looks like the cabinets may have split and they're trying to repair it by screwing it together. There's also a crack across the tile here. Maybe just address that area. So 6, 7, 8 blinds upstairs. These also look to be in good condition. I don't see any warping. The valance is still there. Same with this window blind. These rooms feel large for extra rooms. Some discoloration on the window. Okay, that's the property.